ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, എല്ലാവർക്കും എൻ്റെ ചാനലിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് CSEB എക്സാമിന് ചോദിക്കുന്ന വളരെ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള കുറച്ച് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഇനി എക്സാമിന് കുറച്ച് ദിവസങ്ങളേ ഉള്ളൂ. നമ്മൾ റിവിഷൻ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുകയാണ്. എല്ലാ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസും ഡീറ്റെയിൽ ആയിട്ട് പഠിക്കുക. ഓക്കെ, ഇനി പുതിയ ടോപ്പിക്കുകൾ തിരഞ്ഞു പോവാതെ ഇതുവരെ പഠിച്ചത് എന്താണോ അത് കൃത്യമായിട്ട് പഠിക്കുക. ഓക്കെ, ഇനി നമുക്ക് ക്ലാസ്സിലോട്ട് കിടക്കാം. ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ: Religious neutrality in cooperative was advocated by answer Robert Owen. Religious neutrality in cooperative was advocated by Robert Owen. Second question: Dash is the joint purchase organization for the consumer cooperative in Denmark. Answer Nordic Cooperative Union. Nordic Cooperative Union is the joint purchase organization for the consumer cooperative in Denmark. Third question: Closing of FD before due date is called premature closure. Closing of fixed deposit before due date is called premature closure. Fourth question: Pledge is defined in dash section of Indian Contract Act 1872. Section 172. Pledge is defined in Section 172 of Indian Contract Act 1872. Fifth one: neither possession nor ownership is transferred in hypothecation. Neither possession nor ownership is transferred in hypothecation. Land mortgage bank are now known as land development bank. Land mortgage ബാങ്കുകൾ ഇപ്പം എങ്ങനെയാണ് അറിയപ്പെടുന്നത്? ലാൻഡ് ഡെവലപ്മെൻറ്റ് ബാങ്ക്. സെവൻത്ത് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ: Dash means the right to retain the goods and securities till the payment of debt. Answer lien. Lien means the right to retain the goods and securities till the payment of debt. നമ്മുടെ ഡെപ്റ്റ് തിരിച്ചടയ്ക്കുന്നത് വരെ പ്രോപ്പർട്ടീസ്, ഗുഡ്സും സെക്യൂരിറ്റീസും റീറ്റെയിൻ ചെയ്യുന്നതിനെയാണ് ലീൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. എയ്ത്ത് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ: ആനുവൽ ജനറൽ ബോഡി മീറ്റിംഗ് കോൺസ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ടഡ് ആസ് പെർ സെക്ഷൻ 29. Annual General Body Meeting constituted as per Section 29. KCS Actile 29ലാണ് ആനുവൽ ജനറൽ ബോഡി മീറ്റിങ്ങിനെ കുറിച്ച് പറയുന്നത്. നയൻത്ത് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ: നാഷണൽ കോഓപ്പറേറ്റീവ് ഹൗസിംഗ് ഫെഡറേഷൻ ഓഫ് ഇന്ത്യ വാസ് സെറ്റപ്പ് ഇൻ ദ ഇയർ 1969. നാഷണൽ കോഓപ്പറേറ്റീവ് ഹൗസിംഗ് ഫെഡറേഷൻ ഓഫ് ഇന്ത്യ വാസ് സെറ്റപ്പ് ഇൻ ദ ഇയർ 1969. ഹൗസ് ഫെഡ് വന്ന വർഷം ചോദിക്കുന്നത് 1969. ടെൻത്ത് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ: The past performance of cooperative society can be understood by looking into the position of answer reserve fund. The past performance of cooperative society can be understood by looking into the position of reserve fund. 11th one: reserve kept for payment immediately in cash is called fluid resources. Reserve kept for payment immediately in cash is fluid resources. 12th question: The reserve created from net profit is called general reserve. 12th question: The reserve created from net profit is called general reserve. The reserve created from net profit is called general reserve. 13th question: Electronic clearing service ECS is operated by dash in cities and town. RBI. Electronic clearing service is operated by RBI in cities and towns. 14th question: The process of converting share certificate in physical form into electronic form is known as dematerialization. The process of converting share certificate in physical form into electronic form is known as dematerialization. 15th question: The ASTI is registered under Agriculture Cooperative Staff Training Institute. Registered under Travancore Cochin Literary, Scientific and Charitable Societies Act 1955. The ASTI is registered under Travancore Cochin Literary, Scientific and Charitable Societies Act 1955. 16th question: Purchase bonus is charged on the dash of the societies. Answer gross profit. Purchase bonus is charged on the gross profit of the societies. 17th one: Purchase office furniture on credit is recorded in journal proper. Purchase of office furniture on credit is recorded in journal proper. 18th one. The General Council of ASTA is headed by Minister of Cooperation. The General Council of ASTA is headed by Minister of Cooperation. 19th question. The Institute of Training and Management is situated at Kochi. The Institute of Training and Management is situated at Kochi. സ്റ്റാഫ് ട്രെയിനിങ് സെൻ്ററാണ് ITM ആക്കി മാറ്റിയത്. അതായത് സ്റ്റാഫ് ട്രെയിനിങ് സെൻറ്ററിനെ കൺവേർട്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ടാണ് ഇൻസ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ഓഫ് ട്രെയിനിങ് ആൻഡ് മാനേജ്മെൻറ്റ് ആക്കിയത്. സ്റ്റാഫ് ട്രെയിനിങ് സെൻറ്ററിൻ്റെ ആദ്യ ഹെഡ് ക്വാർട്ടേഴ്സ് ട്രിവാൻഡ്രം ആയിരുന്നു. പിന്നീടാണ് അതിൻ്റെ ഹെഡ് ക്വാർട്ടേഴ്സ് കൊച്ചിയിലോട്ട് മാറ്റിയത്. 20th question. The Center for Research on Financial Inclusion and Microfinance CRFIM was set up by BIRD ആണ് BIRD BIRD Bankers Institute for Rural Development is a Center for Research on Financial Inclusion and Microfinance set up by BIRD. 21st question. Kerala State Cooperative Rubber Marketing Federation Rubbermark and headquarters Ernakulam. Kerala State Cooperative Rubber Marketing Federation Rubbermarkinde headquarters Ernakulam. 22. In Rubber Marketing Society, E-class membership is given to Rubber Board. In Rubber Marketing Society, E-class membership is given to Rubber Board. 23rd. Rubber balloon is a product of Rubbermark. Rubber balloon is a product of Rubbermark. 24. Charging depreciation to fixed asset is an example of dash reserve. Answer specific reserve. Charging depreciation to fixed asset is an example of specific reserve. 25th question. In which year SBI was passed? 1955. In which year SBI Act was passed? 1955. SBI ഫോം ചെയ്തത് 1st July 1955. ആക്റ്റും സെയിം ഇയറിൽ തന്നെയാണ് 1955. The primary function of accounting, recording and classifying business transaction. The primary function of accounting, recording and classifying business transaction. 27th question. The statement shows the financial position of the business is balance sheet. The statement shows the financial position of the business is balance sheet. 28th question. Goods outward journal is made for recording all return of goods purchased on credit. Goods outward journal is meant for recording all returns of goods purchased on credit. 29th question. Outstanding salaries are shown as liability. Outstanding salaries are shown as liability. 30. Petty cash book is prepared under impressed system. Petty cash book is prepared under impressed system. 31. Written evidence for a payment of cash is called voucher. Written evidence for a payment of cash is called voucher. 32. In the case of overdraft, passbook will show a debit balance. In the case of overdraft, passbook will show a debit balance. 33. Short description of every transactions made in the journal is called narrations. Short description of every transaction made in the journal is called answer narrations. 34th question. Sales are equal to cost of goods sold plus profit. Sales equal to cost of goods sold plus profit. 35th question. In dash method, depreciation charged in the initial years will be more. Diminishing balance. In diminishing balance method, depreciation charged in the initial years will be more. 36th question. GAAP stands for GAAP. GAAP stands for General Accepted Accounting Principle. Generally Accepted Accounting Principles. 37th question. Allowance made for prompt payment is called cash discount. Allowance made for prompt payment is called cash discount. 38th question. Trading account is a dash account. Trading account is a nominal account. 39th question. Dash is the book of original entry. Answer journal. Journal is the book of original entry. 40th question. A petty cash book is aimed to cover all the small expenditure paid in cash. A petty cash book is aimed to cover small expenditure paid in cash. 41th question. Unexpired expense is a asset. Unexpired expenses is a asset. 42. Special journal is also called subsidiary books. Special journal is also called subsidiary books. 43. DICGC is under the control of RBI. DICGC is under the control of RBI, Deposit Insurance Credit Guarantee Corporation. 44. Payment transactions emanating from a participant bank are processed by the RTGS on FIFO basis. Banks are required to maintain a cash reserve on the basis of NDTL, net demand and time liability. Banks are required to maintain cash reserve on the basis of net demand and time liabilities. 46th question. The central bank is called Bankers Bank. The central bank is called Bankers Bank. 47th question. Maximum number of endorsement in a check. Answer no limit. Maximum number of endorsement in a check. Answer no limit. 48th question. MICR code lines indicate bank code and branch code. MICR code line indicates bank code and branch code. 49th question. Banking sector falls under service sector. Banking sector falls under service sector. താങ്ക് യു. നമ്മൾ ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ 49 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്തത്. അടുത്ത ക്ലാസ്സിൽ കൂടുതൽ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാം. താങ്ക് യു.